So it has been a while since we've done a video for Traveling Tony's. So we're getting ready to go on a trip. Christmas Day we're leaving, 4 days down in South Florida. So today I'm going to work on putting some security cameras up. Had the same system in our grooming trailer, but now they have a smaller DVR, which is pretty cool, and it's DC. So my plan is, the bed being here, we have a little TV up in the office, and I was thinking about actually mounting the screen right here. That way, the only time that we need to use the security cameras is when we're in here for the night and we can see what's going on around the trailer. And then that way it'll be right there. We can see it. We don't have to get up to look. Our TV is mounted there. So, and then that too, I could bring all the wires down in that corner right here, because I'm planning on mounting the cameras. Plan on mounting one right up here. So I had to let the awning down so that I could see the view where the camera is gonna view under it. So by doing this, putting the camera right up here and keeping the wiring all behind the wall. I think I'm gonna put one here too to see the back. So all the wiring will be right all behind this wall, and then run down here and then through the wall, and just right there where I'm gonna put the monitor. So we will come back and let you know how it goes. It's a beautiful day out. I think it's in the 60s. It was 41 degrees this morning. And yeah, so we'll be back, let you know how it goes, and start drilling holes in the trailer. My wife always loves it when I do that. Whew, well, it actually took longer than I thought. I think this is the morning of day 3. Of course, I started afternoon and ran out of light, but it was still, yeah, it took longer than I expected. So this is what I decided to do. So like I said in the beginning, I opted for this because all the wires are behind this wall. The DVR, all the wiring is down there. You can't see it. And we have both sides back where the generator is there, and I just hooked up the front camera. So the front camera was a little bit different, since I didn't want to run wires from the front all the way along the ceiling. So I'll show you what we did, what I did. So just took the front camera, and it sits right here. And what I'll do is just unplug it. It unplugs, all the wiring's here. I got to tuck all the wiring in, and then it runs underneath the trailer all the way through the channels. They're all pre-drilled holes, and then comes up through the floor here, and then through the wall, and then into the DVR and the power. So, and then all the wires for this camera are running all up underneath there over to here. So everything's over in this corner. So we can see side of the trailer door, we can see the back of the trailer, we can see all this area back here, We can see this side of the trailer. And now we can see the front of the trailer. I was really trying to figure that out, so I just screwed this on this little piece of wood that will unplug, put it in the trailer. When we park, I'll plug it in, set it there, and we got a front view. So that's it. Mission accomplished. It's just plug and play. We have that TV in there, comes out of the office, so it'll go back up into the office, and when we go out, we'll just take it out of the office. And they both have the same type of hangers, mounts, and it just simply just hangs on the wall. No screws, bolts, nothing, except for the hanger itself that's on each wall. But the one in the back of the TV simply just lifts off. So yeah, didn't have to buy another monitor. We just simply use that one when we're gone. And that's it. Security cameras are all done. Now so we are gonna, I don't know if we're gonna do it this trip, but I am gonna replace the suspension, all 4 leaf springs, all the bolts, everything. Probably go to 5 leaves from 4, and we're gonna see if we can go ahead and flip it, put the leaf springs on top of the axles and give us a little bit more height. If we get some more height, I may put some tanks underneath, which would be a whole lot better than having it in the back of the truck. We'll see, because then I got to get into plumbing and stuff. So yep, that's it for right now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.